Hey guys, what's up? It is the Radman, and welcome to my first update video of my computer. So it's a little bit dark. It's getting really dark really early because of the time change, and it's like not even 5 o'clock and it's starting to get dark. So I'm gonna try to get these earlier after I get out of school, but that's gonna be like real fast right after, so I might not be able to. But here's my first update video. If a couple of you guys told me before I should turn the right there, turn that sideways, which I did, as you can see, and I began actually overclocking the CPU, which I am benching right now. Prime 95. It is currently at, you can't see that, it's currently at 4.3 gigahertz. I plan to overclock some more, maybe 4.4, 4.5. Not too extreme because this isn't an extreme cooling solution. If I do water cooling, like a custom water cooling, then I'll go to maybe like 4.8. But who knows. And another funny update. Before, I was actually unable to get the back panel on. So I just put it up there and I just forgot about it. Because whenever I try to put it on, it would either the top or the bottom back end would be sticking out. And I was like, you know, it's screwed because my dad and his friend were giving me crap about cable management. So I went into it and I reorganized a couple of the cables, so it's very nice now. And I figured out that it was the Molex connection to the fan controller. So what I did is I was like, I couldn't like turn it sideways or anything because that wouldn't fit. And because it was literally like 1 or 2 millimeters wider than the actual panel. So what I decided to do is I looked around, you know those like imprints in the back under the motherboard? Or like where the spots are that support the power supply while you're placing it in? I just slid it into one of those and it works perfectly. I put it on no problem. So I believe that's it for now. In the future I hope to get like a better mouse and keyboard compared to that really crappy one and that just standard keyboard for my mom's computer. I had my old one that my dad is using, but I just kind of snuck the nicer one out, even though it's still crap. And I should really be doing that paper right now, the biggest essay of the year, and I'm just doing this instead. So don't tell anyone. And that's it. I still got my pile of boxes, and I plan to build custom computers if someone on Craigslist responds to my ad. Like if you live in my area, you'll see a Craigslist ad for custom computer services. I'm not going to say where I live because I don't want to really get too personal. And that's it. So remember to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I will see you later after looking at this awesome build on my ugly concrete wall. Okay, see ya.